Testing of Hyundai HGN12 air circuit breaker. The basic settings will be set by the customer. For testing we use 220-vac power supply and a Hyundai tester. First we trip the breaker manually. Then we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. Next we perform a short time delay test with the help of the tester. And we observe that the ACB trips almost instantly. And lastly we perform a long time delay test with the help of the tester. And the ACB trips after 15 seconds approximately. It is now clear that the air circuit breaker is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.